If you want to change the default search engine in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your search provider in just a few clicks. So every time you search from the address bar, Firefox uses the engine you actually want. This is super useful if you prefer Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or any other search tool, and it only takes a moment to set up. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to Firefox's main settings page, where you can customize things like privacy, appearance, downloads, and search. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Search. This section controls how Firefox handles search behavior and which search engine it uses by default. Once you're in the search menu, look for the default search engine option. Under that heading, you'll see a drop-down list showing your current search provider. Click the drop-down to view the available options. Now simply select the search engine you prefer. Firefox will automatically save the change, and your new default search engine will be used whenever you search from the address bar or search box. If you want, you can also come back to this same menu later and switch it again at any time. It's that easy. So just to recap, open the menu, go to Settings, click Search on the left, and then choose your preferred provider under Default Search Engine. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.